In this video, I'll be making a table from scratch, and I will be importing this information from this Excel sheet to my table in another video. But let's get started with the first part of it, which is actually creating a table. So in here, in PG admin, I will go ahead and do create database, and I will name it Twitch. Save it. Now we got Twitch going on, and I will go ahead and go to tables, and as you can see, there's nothing going on here. So we'll go ahead and open up a query here, and we'll start typing. So what I want to do is I want to keep it similar to my Excel sheet, right? So we got channel, minutes watched, stream time, peak viewers, etc., etc. So this is all of the columns I will need for this video. I mean for for this table. So we'll go ahead and get started. So we got create table, and then we'll name it Twitch. Okay, so and then we'll drop in. Actually, let me do it like this. And then first will be channel, and we'll do like it's pretty much going to be tedious. It's going to be a lot of repeating itself, and we'll keep it 100 because I'm not really sure how many. There might be some crazy names for Twitch streams, so we'll just keep it at that. And let me line it up pretty quick though right here. Okay, we'll line them up. Okay, and then the next one will be watch time, which will be big int. I know this from experience. This is since this sheet, this Excel sheet, has such a big number in here. And regular int will not actually work for me. So I will type in big int and leave it at that. And actually, I forgot to put a comma over here. We'll put a comma over here. And then stream time. We'll do big int on here as well. I think I'm messing it up. Here we go, and then peak. And I'm struggling. Viewers will be big int. Average viewers will be big int as well. I think I will not be doing any more big int. I'll just do a followers int. I think everything else should be fine. Okay. Views gained int, and then partnered will be varchar. We'll leave it at 25. And then mature at 25. And actually, I think the last one is language, and it is a command. So what I will do is I think I can type anything in I want to, but I will change it on my sheet as well real quick. And I'll just type in lang like this. Okay. Then we'll do lang. We'll do 25. Okay, let's see. I think this is pretty much it. I think let's line up. Let's run it. And here we go. Let's check it. Is it working? Is it not working? Let me. Okay. Actually, let me do select from Twitch. And here we go. It is popping up. It's just nothing in it. So it is being, it has been created, so we do have all the headers, well, all the columns, which will be the headers. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. I will just go ahead and show you the code one more time. Yeah, I think it looks good. And this is the first step of what I'm going to do. I'm going to import Excel sheet, CVS sheet into here.